how to log into Riot Games account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can log into Riot Games account, and here is how to go about it. So what do you do first? The first thing to do is to open up your web browser just like I have done here, and then once your web browser has been opened, you'll be brought to the page automatically, to your page where you'd see the search box, and then in this search box just type out Riot Games that's come right, and click the enter button or the search icon. Now after clicking on that, you'll be brought to your Riot Games page. On this page you can see different games that you can play on Riot Games, and once you can see this, move to the top right corner and click on sign in. So after clicking on sign in, you can see the option sign in. You can decide to enter in your username or your password, or you can just decide to sign in by making use of your Google account, Facebook account, or any of your account, depending on the one that you've connected with your Riot Games account. All right, so for me, I'll be making use of Google, and so I'm just going to select it now. So after selecting it, you'll be taken to another page. So on this page, click on the Google account that you've connected, or that with which you created your Riot Game account. And then once you've done that, automatically you'll be logged in. And then the sign in button, which is located by the right side of the screen, will change to my account, and then you can go ahead and play games, check your settings, and you're good to go. So that is it. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.